Hello everybody, welcome back to Frame Family Farm. We have taken care of all the animals except the birds. We're all wrapped up over there in the barn. Cows and donkeys all taken care of. We just wrapped up over there. I'm going to check on the birds real quick, and then that concludes the farm chores for today. We're gonna pull eggs, check on all the birds. Like I've said before, it is very, very cold out today. Let's see how everybody's doing. These guys look pretty good. Let's see. Watch out, guys. Squeeze in here. Alright. Let's see if we got any eggs. I don't see any eggs in here, but I just see a ton of birds in here today. I don't see any eggs though. Woo. Watch out, guys. Okay. Alright. Let me. Oh, you guys are out of water. But you guys were good. Let this one defrost. Let that one defrost. Hopefully whatever eggs I have over there. Here's my baby duck. Hopefully whatever eggs I have over here are not frozen. It's a little early, but watch out, guys. Let's see. Look fine. Let's see, that's 6. Let's see. No, but if I wait any longer, they're definitely going to be frozen today. If they aren't already. They don't look frozen. Alright, that's a good sign. Alright, good deal. Alright. Let's give them some food. Watch out. There's your baby ducks. Here's your cockburn. Brahma for your mama. Top off here. Eat your food, guys. Oh, what a day. Hi. Hi. Very active vocal group here. Which, you know, I don't mind. I don't mind. Yeah, there's no eggs in there. Alright, guys. Put the scoop back, and that's pretty much it for the birds. Mr. Cockburn. Again, I really appreciate everybody that watches. Please like, subscribe, and share. We're just a small family farm. We really appreciate every single one. And I hope everybody does have a blessed, wonderful day. Try to stay warm. And God bless. Frame Family Farm, out.